Welcome to your next outdoor cooking adventure with the Imex El Zorro Barbecue, featuring a sturdy grill iron and convenient elevator system. This barbecue measures 60 by 50 by 115 centimeters, providing ample space for grilling your favorite foods. Crafted from high-quality materials, it ensures durability and long-lasting performance for all your cookouts. The design allows you to use both firewood and charcoal, giving you authentic smoky flavors every time. Assembly is straightforward and quick, so you can spend less time setting up and more time enjoying your meal. Whether you are grilling for family or friends, this barbecue offers versatility and ease of use. Get ready to elevate your grilling experience with this reliable and efficient outdoor cooking solution. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.